What is good? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing these Winjet black and white LED taillights on the Tacoma. The reason I went with these because they got a lot of 5-star reviews online. I think they're around $192 online on Tacoma Beast, and I just like the look. They're a quick plug and play design. They've got 2 of their own LED lights, and you're going to utilize your OEM, or if you have a LED light, you're going to put in on the bottom for the reverse light. And it's just 2 bolts on the tail lights. Quick install, should be on in just a couple of minutes. So let's get these things put on. Just going to use a 10mm socket here, top bolt. You do not need to take this second one out, and then you got to take the bottom one out. Once those 2 bolts are out, if you just grab under here and here, pull straight back. Once the light's free, just gonna twist these counterclockwise. You're gonna be reusing this bottom reverse light. We are gonna remove these top 2 harnesses here. Plug them back in. The longest one's on the top. Obviously, the triangle one's in the middle. Line it back up. And it's in. Put the 2 bolts back and you're good to go. Do the same thing on the other side and you are done. Alright, that is it for this video. Pretty quick and easy install. I did wind up stripping, of course, the last bolt with this drill right here. By accident, I got a little carried away, I guess, on the last one. I threw a new one on and it's fine. The lights work. I think they look great. I think they match the truck with the black and white. I do have a couple more mods coming up soon. I ordered a control module for auxiliary lights. I'll let you know which one I got when that comes in. I do have some rain guards and some other mods and things on the way. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.